Welcome this video wood palette project of your outdoor gardening. Wood palette are versatile, affordable and eco friendly material profile for outdoor gardening project. Those stood wood structure often discards or available at minimalized cost can be repurposed into functional and decoration gardening elements. Well, a little created and effect you can transforming wood palette into full use at of your outdoor space. This gas explode a various of project to inspire your next handling. Vertical gardening palette. A vertical palette gardening is an excellent solved for smart space or for add various interior to the plant's wall or fence to created one material need one wood palette landscape of your choose of palette incorporating landscape to the bank and side to the palette create pick to hold salt. Find the pick well salt and plants hub flower and structure. Posting the palette varies again a valve or fence and secure its use palette with show root or entrance main entrance. Palette convenient beans compost bin turn a few wood pallet into the compost bin to main gardening wall and create rain compost of your pallet main entrance need 4 to 5 pallet niche screen and dew. Incorporating agreement 3 pallet in a U shape, 2 for the back and side to the bin. The pallet together use screen and need. Place the bin in the same spotted this speed and disclined. Pallet gardening branch. A simple and stylish branch make for gardening. Pallet can provide a comfortable spot to relax into your gardening. Material need 2 to 3 pallet sandpaper plants screen and salt in the drop. Sand the pallet to remove side of throw edge to pallet for the set. Came together, customized by a pair a branch to match your gardening aesthetic. Add convenience for extra comfort. Rustic gardening bed. Palette are idea of create rustic gardening bed which impact back stream while gardening. Material need plants such as during and landscape fiber. Pallet plants box. Pallets plants box are compost and personal for gardening bin or smart gardening material need a simple plant screen and plant introducing cut the pallet into smart select to create box like structure. The price we need to for a study plant fit well. Send the paper your favorite plants and up. Outdoor palace table. A pallet table is a great add to your gardening. Provide a functional surface for the post plants. Material need 2 pallets sandpaper screen to add charm. Pallet fence. Create a rustic fence to define your gardening space and provide privacy. Material net. Multi-purpose pallet screen audio and a pallet host during. Thank you for watching this video.